microvascular decompression surgery in India at MGM Healthcare by Dr. K. Sridhar, Director and Group Head, Institute of Neurosciences and Spinal Disorders. Before we start, I would request Dr. K. Sridhar to please come and have a seat. This is a health condition in which patient feels a ringing noise in the ears continuously, even though there is no external noise. We at MGM Healthcare were delighted to help this young person to get back onto his normal life. The surgery, microvascular decompression of the cochlear nerve, entailed a highly precise and delicate microsurgical procedure under high magnification to move the artery away from the nerve and ensure that it stays that way. Before we begin and we move forward, I would request Dr. Anuradha Bhaskaran, Assistant Director, Medical Services, to please deliver the welcome speech.
Been done in India. I welcome each one of you to this press conference, and it gives me great pleasure in acknowledging and congratulating the neurosurgical team for having performed this novel procedure. At MGM Healthcare, our commitment is more than something we continuously strive for. It's reflected in everything we do. It's a part of who we are, and it's with this dedication to our patients that is reflected in the best clinical outcome and quality care. The Institute of Neurosciences is headed and supported by a team of clinicians by Dr. Sridhar, Institute of Neurosciences and Spinal Disorders, So it offers a comprehensive care in all aspects of neuro and spine problems. The USP of the Institute is integrated neurocare, where specialists from different departments come together on a common platform to ensure the best possible clinical outcome for the patient. It's a very happy moment for us to share with you the journey of this patient, and I give it on to Dr. Sridhar.
Vanakkam. Thank you for coming here and joining us also on the Zoom platform. Today we are very happy to announce and state that we have successfully performed a surgery to help our patient who is sitting next to me. This surgery is something which is quite uncommonly done. Less than 50 such cases have been published in the world literature. And none of these cases have been from India. So we can very proudly say that we are perhaps the first hospital or department to perform this surgery for a patient with tinnitus in India. And that is really, I think, a great thing. It's not only that, it is also to tell patients who are suffering from this problem that there is a possibility of cure by this surgery when all other types of treatment fail. Now, you just heard that tinnitus is a sound in the ear. That is what is tinnitus. The causes of tinnitus are many. It can be the ear itself, or it can be because of a problem near the brain, something which causes a sound and stimulates the hearing organ. That is the cause of tinnitus. Generally speaking, tinnitus commonly is because of problems in the inner ear or the cochlea, which is the hearing organ. This cochlea then connects to the brain through a nerve called the cochlear nerve. Now, when Mr. Venkatraman, a young man who was in the United States, when this all started 2.5 years ago, he visited, like people should, he visited his general practitioner, then he visited his ENT doctors, and they all gave the treatment which is generally given for the tinnitus. But unfortunately, his tinnitus did not go away. In fact, it started troubling him more and more and more. Imagine having a sound in your ear all the time. It's all right when you are in a crowded place, when you're talking to somebody, doing some work, but when you are all alone, எல்லாம் ஃபேன் லைட் எல்லாத்தையும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு படுக்கணும் தூங்கணும்னா சவுண்ட் சத்தம் வந்துட்டே இருந்ததுன்னா காதுல தூக்கம் வராது. If you have to study, you have to concentrate, and there is a sound which is there, which is troubling you, you cannot concentrate. And that is what happened to this young man. So he was in the United States, he sought treatment there, then he came back home to Chennai. His parents took him to different ENT doctors who looked at the problem in many ways, but still he continued to have the problem. So he was getting very frustrated really because of this, and imagine when you're getting frustrated because of this problem, other problems also arise. Finally, one ENT surgeon, after an MRI of the brain, recommended that they see a neurosurgeon, and they then came and saw me. This was about a couple of months ago, or a little more. When they first came and saw me, I too looked at all the files, looked at all the work. I said, why don't you again see another ENT surgeon? Why can't you get another opinion? Why don't you do some other therapy? But they had already done almost everything, and everything had failed. And what the MRI showed is that there was a blood vessel which was compressing the nerve of hearing, which is the cochlear nerve. Now, this surgery which we did is a surgery called microvascular decompression. It is a surgery that we perform, especially I perform very regularly for a condition for pain on the face, which is called trigeminal neuralgia. And in this condition, we'll just show you a small video on what it is. In this condition, what happens is that because a blood vessel is hitting on a nerve continuously, the nerve gets irritated and spontaneous activity of the nerve takes place. So if the nerve is involving sensation of the face, the patient has pain all the time on the face. And in this condition, because it involves the nerve of hearing, there was a sound in the ear all the time. So the surgery means what we do is microvascular decompression is we move the blood vessel away from the nerve. It's a normal nerve, it's a normal blood vessel. There is nothing abnormal, there is no tumor, there is nothing abnormal. So everything is normal. Only thing, they are very close to one another. And that's what irritates the nerve. The problem in this surgery, or the possible problems that can happen, and that's why many people do not think that this should be done commonly or are not happy to do the surgery, is that the risk in doing this surgery is that the patient can lose hearing, the patient can get a facial weakness because these nerves are very, you are handling these nerves. So the burden of removing the blood vessel away from the nerve and at the same time making the patient not have a facial weakness and making sure that the patient does not become deaf is the challenge in the surgery. So it has to be a very precise surgery. It has to be done under very high magnification. We use an operating microscope and we magnify the image almost about 15 times. So that, and we use very fine instruments, just 0.3 millimeter tip instruments to do this surgery. So I'm very happy to say that we did this surgery, and the evening of the surgery, Mr. Venkat told us that the tinnitus has gone almost 60-70%. And when he was in hospital, he said, Abada, I can sleep properly. I mean, that was the first sign of relief for him. I can sleep properly. நிம்மதியா தூங்கலாம். I mean, imagine if you have not been able to sleep for 2.5 years. So this is how the patient is, and he is the patient, and this is what happened. So we are very happy that we are able to do this. That's because we have the experience of this surgery, because of the many surgeries that we are doing, this kind of high-end surgeries. And we'll just show you a small video. Can we have the video? Small vessel is the nerve, is the blood vessel for hearing. So if you damage those small vessels, you will lose hearing. So this is, we put a very small piece of muscle there between the blood vessel and the nerve, making sure that the blood vessel stays away. And this is at very, very high magnification, almost 20 times magnification. The nerves are very, very delicate. So this is what has been done, that graphic shows you what has been done, and this we are zooming out. So this is what in short was the surgery. So he's looking at his surgery.
So yeah, so like you said, so for the last 2 years I've been having this tinnitus, this very loud ringing noise in my ear, and so அதனால சரியா தூக்கம் வரதுக்கே ஸோ கரெக்டாக இது காது பின்னாடி ஒரு டேபிள் ஃபேன் வச்சுட்டு like lot of like arrangements கரெக்டாக இருந்தால் தான் தூக்கம் வந்தது. அண்ட் இது like focus பண்ண முடியல, like படிக்கிறது ஒர்க் பண்ணுறது. அண்ட் so yeah, so I had a lot of difficulties and now few things try பண்ணோம், and எதுவும் like இது lasting relief and improvement கொடுக்கல. So yeah, so அதனால so finally yeah, so you know we found Dr. Sridhar, who was very patient and very kind to listen to the problem, and yeah, so our கூட பேசுறது தான் we found out about the surgery and about this in the option இருக்கிறதே. And yeah, so together we took the decision and went ahead with the microvascular decompression surgery almost exactly 1 month ago. And yeah, so ipo feeling much better. Both, I mean, yeah, sleeping is much easier, and yeah, like சத்தம் நல்லா குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. So I'm able to live a more normal life, which is so very, very thankful to and grateful to Dr. Sridhar and team and everyone at MGM for everything. So thank you.
MGM Healthcare, I've been called to propose the vote of thanks. At the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Sridhar, Director and Group Head, Institute of Neurosciences and Spinal Disorders, for beautifully explaining how the microvascular decompression surgery has brought smiles and relief for patient Mr. Venkat. I think his elucidation of the procedure clearly explained to us the complexity that was involved and the kind of relief that has brought in the patient's lives. I would like to thank friends from the media, those who have come physically and those who are connected virtually on the Zoom platform, for being with us. And we would urge you and request you to write about this so that many people can be aware that there is an option like the microvascular decompression surgery. I would also like to thank.
சொல்லுங்கள், உங்களுக்கு இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எவ்வளோ நாளாக இருந்தது, எந்த அளவுக்கு டிஸ்டர்ப் வந்தது, இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கும்?
ஆமாம், ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து இந்த tinnitus, இந்த லவுட், இந்த சத்தம் வந்து ஒரு 2 இயர்ஸாக இருந்தது. ஸோ பேசிக்லி அதான் அது வந்ததுலேருந்து என்னால் சரியாக தான் லைக் தூங்க முடியல. அண்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதுலாம் அப்போ நான் அது யூஎஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். ஸோ அது கூட கஷ்டமாக இருந்தது. அண்ட் ஆமாம், ஸோ நாங்கள் இது வேறு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் மெனி திங்ஸ் நாங்கள் ட்ரை பண்ணோம். அண்ட் எதுவும் எங்களுக்கு அவ்வளோ எனக்கு எதுவும் அவ்வளோ இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் தெரிஞ்ச மாதிரி இல்லை, எதுலேயும் அவ்வளோ எஃபெக்ட் இல்லை. ஸோ அதான் ஸோ டியூரிங் லாக்டவுன் லாஸ்ட் செப்டம்பர் தான் நான் சென்னைக்கு வந்தேன். அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் வந்து திரும்பி இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இன்வெஸ்டிகேட் பண்ண ஆரம்பித்தோம். ஒரு ENT சர்ஜன் கிட்டே போனோம். தட்ஸ் வென் அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் இந்த லூப், இந்த பிளட் வெசல் அண்ட் கம்ப்ரெஷன் ப்ராப்ளம் நாங்கள் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். ஸோ தென் வி கேம் டு அவர் டாக்டர் ஸ்ரீதர். அண்ட் ஆமாம், ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ஆஃப்டர் அண்டர்கோயிங் இந்த ப்ரொசீஜர் இந்த கோ த்ரூ பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் நல்ல இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் இப்போ தெரியுது எனக்கு. ஸோ ப்ரொசீஜர் அண்டர்கோ பண்ணி 1 month ஆகுது. அண்ட் இந்த 1 month இந்த ரிகவரி பீரியட் நல்ல லைக் சவுண்ட் இல்லாமல் நல்லா ரிலாக்ஸ்டாக போயிட்டு இருக்கு, நல்லா வாக்கிங் போயிட்டு புக் படிச்சுட்டு அந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ இதுதான் நார்மல் லைஃப் இப்போது. யா, மோர் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் பீஸ்ஃபுல்லாக பண்ண முடியாது.
வந்து இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கு?
ஆமாம், ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து இந்த டினிட்டஸ், இந்த லவுட், இந்த சத்தம் வந்து ஒரு 2 இயர்ஸாக இருந்தது. ஸோ பேசிக்லி அதான் அது வந்ததுலேருந்து என்னால் சரியாக தான் லைக் தூங்க முடியல. அண்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதுலாம் அப்போ நான் அது யூஎஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். ஸோ அது கூட கஷ்டமாக இருந்தது. அண்ட் ஆமாம், ஸோ நாங்கள் இது வேறு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் மெனி திங்ஸ் நாங்கள் ட்ரை பண்ணோம். அண்ட் எதுவும் எங்களுக்கு அவ்வளோ எனக்கு எதுவும் அவ்வளோ இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் தெரிஞ்ச மாதிரி இல்லை. அண்ட் எதுலேயும் அவ்வளோ எஃபெக்ட் இல்லை. ஸோ யா, அதான். ஸோ டியூரிங் லாக்டவுன் லாஸ்ட் செப்டம்பர் தான் நான் சென்னைக்கு வந்தேன். அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் வந்து திரும்பி இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இன்வெஸ்டிகேட் பண்ண ஆரம்பித்தோம். ஒரு ENT சர்ஜன் கிட்ட போனோம். தட்ஸ் வென் அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் இந்த லூப், இந்த பிளட் வெசல் அண்ட் கம்ப்ரெஷன் ப்ராப்ளம் நாங்கள் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். ஸோ தென் வி கேம் டு அவர் டாக்டர் ஸ்ரீதர். அண்ட் ஆமாம், ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் அண்டர்கோயிங் இந்த ப்ரொசீஜர் இந்த கோ த்ரூ பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் நல்ல இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் இப்போ தெரியுது எனக்கு. ஸோ ப்ரொசீஜர் அண்டர்கோ பண்ணி 1 month ஆகுது. அண்ட் இந்த 1 month இந்த ரிகவரி பீரியட் நல்லா லைக் சவுண்ட் இல்லாமல் நல்லா ரிலாக்ஸ்டாக போயிட்டு இருக்கு, நல்லா வாக்கிங் போயிட்டு புக் படிச்சுட்டு அந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ இதுதான் நார்மல் லைஃப் இப்போது. யா, மோர் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் பீஸ்ஃபுல்லாக பண்ண முடியாது.